it's an honor to have you here. Tunamaliza mwezi. Tunamaliza mwezi. What stood out for you in August?
Well, especially for us as a business, it's been very challenging. In this particular space of payments and digital banking,
Yes.
regulation changes very often.
Okay.
So it's really been challenging.
All right.
But an exciting challenge.
Yeah. Okay, sawa. You mentioned business. So let's talk about Mr. Ronnie Sammy. Who are you? You could introduce yourself to us.
Yeah, thanks. My name is Ronnie. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Wire, a digital bank for immigrants in the US.
Okay.
And we also run a payments company here called CloudPay.
Yes.
That's targeting businesses.
So that's exceptional. Let's talk about the transformation of digital payment. How is it now? Talk to me about the situation now before we can touch on, the future. How the transformation in the last 5 years, how's it been?
Well, I'd say, starting with the advent of M-Pesa,
yes.
Digital payments and mobile money has really transformed a great deal. But now there are newer technologies and more competitors. Now we have, beyond M-Pesa, we have platforms like Tcash, like Airtel Money.
Yes.
But then it's also grown beyond that. There are more startups focusing on payments. And then government is now involved more in terms of the payments landscape.
All right. Yeah. Pretty interesting. That's amazing. And something that is very important, I was asked by a guy called Jack, and I'm just going to throw it to you, is digital payment likely going to replace banks?
Well, I don't think so. I think it's more like social media and the newspapers.
Yes.
People were proposing that it will replace newspapers, but then, it's never happened. Both of these solutions, bank and digital payments, can work together. Yeah.
Okay. And the embracing, of course, that must have been a bit of a challenge and continues to be a challenge. We're talking about all the demographics. The young people, you'd say, maybe are a bit welcoming. They have accepted this as a method, and they're actually, using it. How has it been? On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you say the embracing of digital payment has been throughout the years?
I mean, aside from just offering the convenience of being able to bank and access payments from wherever you are and making it fast.
Okay.
Lots of young people, especially, are into digital payments and digital payment solutions. But then banks also are there for the older demographics and more established businesses as well. So I'd say it works for both, demographics, both the young and the old.
All right.
Yeah.
How about the interest? There's the embracing, and of course there's the interest. Working at where you work at your farm, have you seen a growing interest of people, transforming, especially after COVID, things took a turn, right? How would you comment on the interest people have in digital payment?
I mean, to be honest, the interest is growing, digital payments just goes beyond what you're talking about. It's also about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. I mean, now one of the things we are seeing the government doing here is on QR code payment.
Yes.
So the interest certainly is growing, and also it's exciting to see the government now a bit more involved. I mean, the central bank here is more involved, for example, in the QR code space.
Yes.
They're trying to pilot that. And so I'd say the interest is growing considerably.
All right.
Yeah.
Putting all that together, which is very important, and it's a huge transformation in the space. How does the future look like?
Well, the future is exciting in two ways. One, for example, because of AI and machine learning.
Okay.
I mean, we all know what AI is doing now. Just besides trying to create better experiences and more personalized user experiences, I mean, AI is doing quite a lot. And also in the space of, blockchain and cryptocurrency.
Okay.
I mean, it's also gaining quite a lot of interest. So, looking forward, there is lots of opportunities. But then it also comes with lots of challenges as well.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll discuss that.
All right.